Understanding a slippery slope, an easy guide to English idioms. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of idioms, specifically the phrase, a slippery slope. This idiom is a great example of how English uses imagery to convey complex ideas. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. A slippery slope is an idiom that describes a situation where a small action or decision leads to a chain of events with significant and often worsening consequences. The imagery here is of sliding down a slippery hill where it's impossible to stop or control your descent. This idiom is commonly used to express the idea that a seemingly minor or harmless choice could lead to serious and potentially dangerous outcomes. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. Political debates. Allowing censorship in one small area can be a slippery slope to broader restrictions of free speech. 2. Personal decisions. Skipping one workout seems harmless, but it can be a slippery slope to giving up on your fitness goals entirely. 3. Workplace scenarios. Bending the rules for one employee might seem fair in the short term, but it's a slippery slope to inconsistent policy enforcement. Using this idiom is all about context. Here are some tips. Use it to express caution. It's perfect for warning about the potential negative progression of events. Combine with real-life examples. This makes your point clearer and more impactful. Avoid overuse. Like all idioms, it loses its effectiveness if overused. And that's a wrap on a slippery slope. We hope this video has shed light on this interesting idiom and you feel confident using it in your conversations. Remember, language learning is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.